White halls breathe a silver kind of night. Frames glow, soft like signs to say be kind. Your sleep brushes mine and I feel right. We slow our feet and leave the noise behind. Marble cool under careful shoes. Small signs whisper what to do. Guard yawns once and waves us through. We're alone with pain and truth. Colors hold like steady hand. Faces watching, understand. You look up and I exhale. I don't need a bigger tale. Keep it clear, keep it near. If it's real, say it here. Keep me in these quiet rooms. Say my name and say we're true. I don't need a louder proof, only you and simple truth. Hold me while the statues breathe. Let the small words be our key. If you want me, say we start. I am open, take my heart. Floor plans curl like secret maps. You point north and I relax. Golden frames around our sight. Turn the dark to softer light. Audio guides sleep on chairs. Tiny dust in velvet air. You lean close and tell me straight. I choose us and I feel brave. No grand pose, no painted crown. Just a yes that settles down. If the doors swing back today, we will take the simple way. Down the steps and through the glass. Hand in hand, we let it last. Keep me in these quiet rooms. Say my name and say we're true. I don't need a louder proof, only you and simple truth. Hold me while the statues breathe. Call it love and low relief. If you want me, say we start. I am here with open heart. Out tonight, soft and bright. You and I start tonight.
Turn it on. Gin and tonic till the rush is gone. Say my name and draw me close. Benetti and tonic, that's our toast. Lights and roads, we find a beat. Two small yeses in the heat. Take me to Benetti, make it clear. Benetti and tonic, keep me near. Keep me near. got time and open hands.
Take me to Benetti, turn it on. Gin and tonic, all the doubt is gone. Say my name and hold me close. Benetti and tonic, that's our toast. Lights and rolls and steady feet. We say yes and skip the script. Take me to Benetti, make it clear. Benetti and tonic, keep me near. No. Benetti and tonic, we begin. Benetti and tonic, we begin. Mirror wall doubles us in light. We look good, we feel right. Someone cheers at table two. We just smile, it's me and you. All week long I held my breath. Now I'm open, nothing less. You not small, I get the sign. We line up, our rhythm fine. If we lose the hour hand, we can draw a softer plan. Out the door, back again. Either way, we call it win. Take me to Benetti, turn it on. Gin and tonic, let the new be born. Say my name and draw me close. Benetti and tonic, that's our toast. Lights and rolls, we keep the beat. Two true hearts on easy feet. Take me to Benetti, make it clear. Benetti and tonic, keep me near.
Quiet night, their breath like ghosts, fading slow. The bus pulls up, doors yawning wide. They glance, then turn and let it slide. They chose each other over the ride, hands trembling, hearts collide in the cold. They found their fire at the night bus shelter. Love conspired. Snowflakes land on a woolen sleeve. Two hearts too scared to leave. Time stopped, a moment carved in frost. Another bus, its engine hums, but they stay still. Their choice becomes